Well, welcome back, everyone. As we move into the close ahead of the U.S. Thanksgiving market closure tomorrow, markets have behaved largely as communicated and expected in videos just like these. We established a flight path for markets with members of the Active Trader Room and the Wealth Charts community and the BBT community earlier in the week. And for those that were here with us last week, you've seen this already. We identified a high probability for the market to come up to that $455 marker, move into an oscillation pattern, and then have an $8 to $10 pullback. Typically, based on the past two Thanksgivings, in particular 2022 and 2021, we've seen markets pent up, hold up, even in that overbought state, and then let it go a little bit, but right after Thanksgiving. So I'm expecting, as we are seeing markets today hold up fairly well, SPY is sitting currently at $455.25. We made a higher high today in markets overall, 456 and 38 pennies on the SPY. I'm expecting that flight path continues, and the next move is likely the first leg of a pullback. Mind is completely open to an alternative outcome, but the reason I'm giving you that is the same things you've heard me say in videos just like these in days gone by. The US dollar and the S&P 500 are extraordinarily inversely correlated. Has the dollar started to bounce? That's something that we were expecting to happen from Monday to Tuesday and then continue on with some acceleration into the back end of the week. And that's precisely what has happened. From Monday, that's Monday's candle, to Tuesday, that's Friday's candle, last Friday, to Monday to Tuesday, we've seen that firming up. And that turn up in the market for the dollar has added a little bit of a ceiling to the equity market overall. So the dollar can act like a wrecking ball. In this case, probably more so a speed bump in the bigger picture. Now, if you look at what's happened in markets today, I'll take you right now to my live wealth chart so you can get a good gander of that. Indecision candle on the S&P 500, right there at the hard right edge of the screen. Following that flight path that we inked out from last week, the continuation of this move has a couple of flight paths, but a destination that's similar for both. What we're looking for is an outcome where the market pulls back to refuel and gets going up, up, and away one more time, potentially to new year-to-date highs or all-time. If we take a look at the all-time highs and look at where we are against them at this moment in time, ostensibly there's a chance for us to get up there and potentially higher. Now, in order to do so, we need some fuel in the tank, and as of right now, we're a little light on that fuel. If we use the champion trend pack of indicators developed by Rob Hoffman over decades in markets, we've gone through stage 1, 2, and 3 of that signal sequence that I'm going to talk to you about on Friday at a very special session I'm going to invite you to in just a moment. And we've actually started to see the market complete this push up, looking for a quick burst, a pause, a pullback to refuel, and then up we go again. That's the pattern that's indicated. That's not necessarily what will happen, but it's the setup that I see as more likely. This Friday, we're going to be doing a very special session with 3 real money traders, mentors in our active trader community, wealth charts community, and the BBT community. And the objective of the session is to share real world tools, real world strategies that are being used by real traders in markets into the end of this year and beyond. I'd like to share with you how you can get registered and what that session is going to look like. Options traders, day traders, swing traders, ETFs, stocks, bonds, currencies, the whole kit and caboodle is covered here by 3 speakers. Laurie Jones, he'll be speaking about options and strategies he uses. World-renowned trader, master trader, 39 years in the business, John Person. His personal strategies are going to be discussed. And of course, yours truly. My goal is to simplify for you. And I'm looking very much forward to seeing you there. Simply go to becomebettertrader.com/yes. Get your seat well in advance. It's going to be an incredible 3-part training. And I look forward to sharing my insights with you, as do the other mentors. Looking forward to bringing home 2023 strong with insights from a session like this that are simply a do not miss. Have a great Thanksgiving and a wonderful rest of your day. See you on Friday.